Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie. Welcome once again, and today I have this glittery cut crease makeup look for you guys. This is the first time I've done something like this on my channel, especially dealing with glitter. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I also went in with the Maybelline Master Prime primer. So for today foundation, I am going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. Okay, I'm using my Tarte brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over. Okay, for today for concealer, I'm going in with the Rimmel London. I have been absolutely obsessed with this, and this is in the shade 100. I'm going to apply this on the under eye. To blend this concealer out, I'm going to go in with the Sigma Tapered Kabuki brush. And to set my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm going to go and fill in my brows, and today I'm using this book, of course, from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. Okay, so moving on to eyes, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking this Milani palette right here, and I'm taking that white shade and just applying it all over the lid. Okay, so now once I'm done applying that shade, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to grab this Venetian Red, and I'm taking my Morphe M433 brush and just applying that into the crease. Then I'm going to take the shade Red Orchid, the shade right next to it, and apply that right on top. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that concealer from Rimmel, and I'm going to take a flat shader brush, and I'm going to do a cut crease. This is the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to go back in with that same brush. I'm just going to clean off the excess of the remaining concealer onto a little paper towel. Then I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to apply this on the back of my hand I've never used this before, so let's see how this works for me. I'm hoping it'll be okay. And I'm just going to apply this on the same area that I applied the concealer. Yeah, I'm super nervous. Okay, so I don't know if I want to go on with this one. This is the NYX Face and Body Glitter Brilliance glitters. I have one in this bronzy color and I have one in this gold color. I think I'm going to go in with the gold. I'm so nervous. Okay, so I'm going to take this little thing off. I'm actually going to put some on the back of the, I'm going to pour some inside the lid. And that's how much came out. It's pretty clean. I like it. And I'm going to go in with this brush from MAC. This is my 242. And I'm going to grab some of that and just apply that on the lid. Okay, so this is super messy. I have glitter literally all over my face. I should have did the foundation after, but I'm just gonna take a brush and just sweep all this glitter. We'll try to sweep all this glitter off my face. Alright, well, I'll go back to that after. I'm just gonna continue on with the eyes. I'm taking the same brush that we used before to apply this Venetian red and everything. And blend this all together nicely. I'm gonna go back in with that Venetian red, same brush, and go over the same areas. Alright, so I've never used these glitters before, like I mentioned before. I'm just trying to remove all this glitter off my face, but I think it's going to be a little difficult. Let's see if maybe this brush will do the trick. Alright, so now I know next time to just do the glitter first. You guys are probably like, duh, you idiot, you should have did the glitter first. But that's okay. So I'm going to continue on with my eyes. I'm going to go in with that shade Tempera right here, and I'm just going to apply that on the brow bone. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab the Inglot liner and I'm just going to do a quick wing. Okay guys, so I finished applying my eyeliner as you can see, and also I popped on some lashes, and today I'm using the Ardell double up lashes. I figured I would use a bold lash since these eyes are really like out there, and I'm really happy with everything, how it's turning out. So let's just continue on with the look. Alright, so moving back into the eyes, I'm going to take this Sigma pencil brush and I'm going to go back into those two colors and apply that on the lower lash line. I'm also going to go in with this mascara from L'Oreal. This is the Telescopic Mascara, and just apply that on the lower lashes. Okay, so to finish off the face, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cocoa. I am going to go in with this Milani blush. This is in the shade Bella Bellini. And I'm going to grab this brush right here and just apply that. I don't want too much, but I'm just going to apply that on the high points right here and blend it in with that, that bronzer. And for lips, today I'm going to use the Jordana Easy Liner in Rock and Rose. And as you can see, I did overline my lips just a little bit. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of this one. This lip liner is Cute Pink, and this is from Essence. I'm going to go in with this shade from Gerard Cosmetics. This is a lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude. Alright, so of course we have to go into highlighter because this look deserves a highlight, you know. This is the Glow Kit Sun Dipped Anastasia of Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to use this shade Summer and Moonstone, but first I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray and spray my fan brush. I'm going to grab that, and we want to intensify the highlighter because the eyes are just so gorgeous, I have to say. I'm going to grab a little bit of Moonstone, and a little bit of Summer and a little bit of Moonstone, and I'm going to apply that right there. Oh yeah. And that's how you do it, guys. I'm going to finish off the look with some Mario Badescu spray. And you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like I will definitely be doing more glitter cut creases makeup looks on my channel. It definitely is a little hard to deal with glitter, especially since this was my first time doing like a glitter cut crease like I mentioned. It definitely looks pretty messy in the beginning, but the outcome, I mean, it looks beautiful. And I mean, I don't know where I'm going. I'm not really going anywhere, but I am really obsessed with this makeup look right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, you guys, I am really feeling myself right now with these eyes and this highlight. I mean, like, I am totally obsessed right now. Like, I really am. I need to go out or something, but that's not going to happen right now because right now it is 11:39 a.m. and I have a lot of things to do today, but maybe I will keep this look on. I will just put on some glasses because people are going to look at me crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!